In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Higgsfield AI to create engaging TikTok videos. The process will guide you from accessing the AI tool to generating your video content seamlessly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Google. This step is crucial as it will allow you to search for the Higgsfield AI platform, which is essential for creating your TikTok videos. Next, type how to use Higgsfield AI for TikTok videos into the Google search bar and press enter. This action will display a list of relevant links and resources that can assist you in utilizing the AI tool effectively. After the search results load, locate and click on the link labeled AI TikTok Video Generator, Create Viral Content. This link will direct you to the main page of the Higgsfield AI service, which is specifically designed for generating TikTok videos. Once the Higgsfield AI page appears, look for the option that says Create Sora 2 Trends Simple, Fast and Artsy Accessible. Clicking this will take you to the next step in the video creation process. Following that, click on the button that states Turn Ideas into Viral Videos in minutes, no complex tools or skills needed. This feature emphasizes the ease of use and accessibility of the platform. Next, select the option labeled TikTok. This selection will tailor your experience specifically for TikTok video creation, optimizing the tools available for that platform. At this point, describe the scene you envision for your TikTok video in the provided text box. Be as detailed as possible to help the AI generate content that closely aligns with your created vision. Once you've described your scene, click on Visuals and Sound. This step allows you to customize the visual and audio elements of your video, enhancing its overall appeal. After that, click on Settings. Here, you can adjust various parameters to refine your video output. Ensure to explore these settings for better control over the final product. Next, click on Product. This action will lead you to options related to product integration within your video, which can be crucial if you are promoting specific items. Following this, select a photo or video that you want to include in your creation. This selection can greatly influence the visual narrative of your TikTok video. Once you have made your selection, click Open to upload the chosen media. Ensure that the file size is manageable, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Now, click on P-Reset. This feature allows you to choose from various templates that can enhance the structure and flow of your video. After selecting a preset, click on All Presets to view the full range of available options. Take your time to browse through them, as the right preset can significantly elevate your video's quality. Next, click on Use Case. This section provides different scenarios in which your video can be utilized, giving you a broader understanding of its applications. Following this, click on Product Ads. This option is especially beneficial if your video aims to promote specific products or services. Then click on Viral Ads. This will guide you in creating content designed to maximize engagement and shareability on TikTok. Afterward, click on Use XZ, which stands for User-Generated Content. This feature often encourages organic engagement from your audience. Next, click on Socials. This option may provide you with tools or features that enhance your video's reach across social media platforms. Following this, click on TikTok to ensure that the video settings are optimized specifically for TikTok's platform requirements. At this point, choose a viral video preset you want to apply. Selecting a preset that resonates with current trends can enhance your video's visibility. Finally, click on Generate. This action will initiate the video creation process, where the AI will compile your inputs into a cohesive TikTok video. Depending on the complexity of your request and your internet speed, this may take a moment. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.